Hello, this is the video training for the telephones at Auto Body World. This training is dated September 15th, 2010. Before going through this video, you should have a few documents at hand. First, you should have the telephone quick reference guide, specifically for Auto Body World. You should also have a similar document, the voicemail quick reference guide, also specially made for Auto Body World. And then you should also have the master extension directory, as well as the corporate extension directory. If you've got these documents available, we'll get started. There are a few things that are unique or different about the new Auto Body World phone system. There's now 4-digit dialing to all of the different stores, and all of the stores have their own specific extension ranges. You'll see that on this sheet here. So, for example, Thunderbird, all the extensions are the 2100 series numbers. And also, in addition to each store having its own specific prefix, even the specific positions at each store have a numbering system to them. So the customer care desk group at every store ends in 00. So at Thunderbird it's 2100, Bell 2200, Elliott 2300, etc. And all the way down, all of the phones at all the stores follow the same pattern. So it should be relatively easy to manage so many different extensions and know how to reach people at the different stores. So pay close attention to that document. In addition to having 4-digit dialing between all the stores, there will also be 4-digit transferring, and that also includes transferring calls to the customer care group. Customer care is listed on, actually it's not on either of these documents. Oh yes it is, I'm sorry. The Customer Resource Center, I'm sorry, not Customer Care, Customer Resource Center is extension 2020, and that number can be transferred to from any store. Okay, let's just go over some basics features of the phone. Now, if you have a different phone model than this, all of the information that you're going to learn in this training document, or this training video, is going to be accurate. You'll just have some additional buttons and some of the features that on the small phone have to be dialed with an access code. The access codes are printed right here. The larger phones will actually have buttons for those features, but everything that we're going to learn on the small 8-button phone applies on the larger phones as well. So even though you have a different model phone, please do continue to follow along. So the 8-button phone has a 2-line digital display, and when the phone is idle it shows the extension number, the date and time. On this display, when the phone is actually on a call, the display changes to showing the phone number that's been dialed, and in a moment we'll see a clock here, timer. And the bottom line, and this is very important, is access to additional features that may not be anywhere else on the phone. So features, here it shows new, retry, save, and then there's a little arrow to the right of save. That means that more features exist, and we get to those features by pressing the scroll button. Now we've changed that screen to say conference page mute. To get to the conference feature, we would push the button under the word conference. To mute our transmitter, we would push the button under the word mute. So if I push that now, the person that I'm talking to can't hear me because I've muted, and I can turn the mute back off again. The important key about these features is many of them, like mute and conference are perfect examples, do not exist anywhere else on the phone. So when you're trying to use those features, look for them on that menu. And as we're running through the quick reference document, you will see how those features are used on those menus. Okay, we're now going to refer to the telephone quick reference document, and this was designed to be folded into sort of a like a